Forex Daybreak podcast, where we trade the Forex market with you. Entry, target, exit, and stop loss levels are covered when we walk you through every trade made in the show. 5% of Forex traders are profitable, and you can be among the winners. If you wish to find out profitable trade signals in the Forex market, Forex Daybreak is the show for you. Now, let's begin today's episode.
Welcome to episode number 57. Forex pairs we trade today are Euro USD. We are going to put a limit order again, a sell stop order, and Euro Pound. The same thing here, we are going to try to catch the next move to downside, and Euro Canadian Dollar. Also, we are going to try to catch the next leg down and trade these euro pairs to the downside. It is recommended that you will learn to read the markets yourself and not just blindly enter trades based on my signals or from any other signal provider. I will not take responsibility from your trading losses or credit from your profits. Okay, that said, let's start this episode. Okay, we're back in Euro USD. Yesterday we traded Euro USD and other euro pairs, but we did not get any results. We were too early predicting the end of the correction, which has continued and is still in force. And we are going to do a similar trade today. Actually, we are going to trade the same pairs and use the same strategy with a pending order. So let's see Euro USD in more detail. We can see this 4-hour chart. So we can track a 5-wave structure from the peak of the last high, sub-minute wave 2 in my wave count. So we can trace a 5-wave structure as wave 3. And now we can expect this corrective pullback to reach near to the termination point of a previous 4th wave correction, which is this trend line I have in my charts quite accurately. So around 111.4, 111.3 levels would be the termination point or expected termination point for this next correction. So yesterday we were trading this to downside, but soon it was evident that this correction has not finished yet and we are in for more upside in this pair. Let's see this on the 1-hour chart. So here we can see the same structure, wave 1, 2, 3, 4, the divisions for wave 3, and now we can see this correction, and possibly this correction is not going to reach as high as the termination point of the previous 4th wave. So the 111.35, 111.4 level might not be what we see in this correction, but I'm expecting a little more upside. So we can use the same strategy like we did yesterday. We can put a limit order, sell stop order somewhere below the latest lows. So perhaps around 110.4 would be the level we can start with this limit order. And of course we can then adjust once we see this correction unfolding. Yesterday, like I said, we were too early calling this correction and soon noticed that we were getting more upside and closed all the trades. It was basically a break-even trade altogether. So we can do that trade right now. Let's put limit order around 110.4. Alright, so sell stop 110.4. And if you want to be more conservative with this, you can place it a little lower so it won't hit if there's any volatile moves, but still we are not finished the correction. Okay, so this was Euro USD. Now let's move on to Euro Pound. So we are going to trade the same pairs as yesterday. And Euro Pound is in a similar wave structure. And since euro pound has made very similar price structure than euro USD, we can expect more downside here, and the larger wave count here is most likely correct. Maybe the degree is not right at this point, but this is minor detail. If we get the wave structure correct, we can adjust the degree later. So similar wave structure in euro pound. We can see the wave divisions on wave 3, and now can expect a corrective pullback around the previous fourth wave, which in this case is around 0.723, 0.724 level. So let's look at euro pound also in 1 hour chart. Here we can see the same structure in more detail, and we can draw those wave divisions again. We can see a 5-wave structure as wave, a small degree wave 3, or first wave of wave 3. The wave divisions at this point are maybe slightly unclear or not necessarily labeled correctly. But anyway, we see a 5-wave structure from the previous high, and now can see a 3-wave structure and can expect slightly higher numbers on this correction, and we can use the same strategy on this pair. So let's put that trade in right now. So also a limit order, a sell stop order. Let's put it around 0.718, 0.719. Okay, so sell stop order 0.719, and again you can adjust this if you wish to be more conservative or if you wish to be more aggressive with this trade. 0.719 is the sell stop on my charts for euro pound. Now yesterday we traded euro Canadian, and we can do the same trade also today. So euro Canadian dollar declined below the strong support level last week, has remained below that support level yesterday. We got more or less sideways price action yesterday, but we can expect a retest of this level. So just below 146 is this strong support level, or now acting as resistance level, and we can expect a move slightly more higher. Price now is 145.616 or 61, and we can expect possibly a little more upside move. Let's actually see this on a 1 hour chart. So possibly a little more upside, a test of 146, and then the next wave lower. So also here let's put a sell stop order around 145.3 or a little lower. So sell stop 145.25, and if we see more upside here, we can adjust these levels higher, and if we see an impulsive move to the downside, this will hit the level and the trade will begin to the downside. So the same strategy than yesterday. Yesterday we were too early. We didn't get the impulsive wave down yesterday, but maybe we will get it today. And this way we won't risk trading this correction to the upside on these pairs, since it can be very risky and is very limited on the profit side. So let's see a couple of other pairs quickly. Let's see dollar yen, which has moved lower yesterday and today, and we might start to make out this three-way structure that I'm expecting here. So maybe we can expect something like this out of this minute wave Y corrective phase before next phase of the correction can begin. I'm expecting not very good trading opportunities in dollar yen on the coming weeks. Maybe we can trade this next leg to the upside if we get on it early, but let's see first. I would like to see some solid structure in dollar yen before I can start thinking about trading this pair. Another pair I wanted to look is pound dollar. Similar situation here, not a solid structure has formed still. I'm expecting more downside on this pair, and this next leg down should be a powerful one. But first I would like to see a solid 5-way structure and perhaps a move closer to 151 levels in order to be more certain that the bears are in charge right here. That's all for today. Visit the show notes at ForexDayBreak.com/57 and let me remind you that you can get this video analysis, daily trading signals and access to my trading system when you subscribe for my basic membership. Membership fee is only $10 a month and I have a 14-day free trial for you to test out my service. You can cancel with one click, so this is truly a risk-free offer. Go to ForexDayBreak.com/basic and sign up. More trades tomorrow. Happy trading and I will see you next time. Bye bye.
Thanks for your interest in Forex Daybreak Daily Podcast. If you like this show, we hope you'll visit our website, www.ForexDayBreak.com. Be sure to check the show notes on our website for this episode. Join us next time for another episode of Forex Daybreak.